Welcome to the front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device with the help of the Decibel Meter. Now I just will set up the maximum mode. This mode means that when the device will reduce the highest volume, then here the value on the display will change. So let's start. So as can you see, our Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 reached 111.4 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.